In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play Geometry Dash on the Nintendo Switch and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, Geometry Dash is available officially on PC through Steam and also the App Store and the Google Play Store, depending on whether you are using an iOS device or an Android device. You can purchase the game and play through all of the levels, make your own, etc. However, is it possible to play Geometry Dash on the Nintendo Switch? It feels like the game would be a great fit for a console such as the Switch, especially the Lite version, which can be played on the go and is much more portable than, let's say, the normal one or the OLED one. But even then, playing Geometry Dash on the big screen would be a nice experience and very interesting. So, to answer it is and see if it is possible to play Geometry Dash officially on the Nintendo Switch, we can visit the official Nintendo website at nintendo.com. Or you can also follow along by opening up the eShop on your Nintendo Switch console of choice. In here, use the search function and look for Geometry Dash. What you will notice, however, is that upon looking into the game results, nothing related to the official Geometry Dash game pops up. Only some different indie games and some stuff that has either Dash or Geometry in its name. So as of today, is it possible to play Geometry Dash officially on a Nintendo Switch? Sadly, as it stands today and as you might expect, Geometry Dash is only available for these platforms that I mentioned, the App Store, the Google Play Store, and on PC through Steam. Even if we visit the official RobTop Games website at robtopgames.com, you will notice that there is no mention of a Switch version. In fact, this website is very outdated because not even the Steam page is listed here. But as you can expect, like I said, it is not available officially for the Switch, and you can test this out by going over to the eShop and trying to look for it. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that if you want to play Geometry Dash, you must purchase it on PC through Steam, on an Android device through the Google Play Store, or for an iOS device through the App Store. Besides these platforms, it is impossible to play on a Switch. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.